Breaking news update coming in. Petrol prices reduced by 3 rupees in Tamil Nadu. Diesel prices remain unchanged. Remember, DMK in its election manifesto had promised to slash petrol price by 5 rupees per litre and diesel by 4 rupees per litre. Let me go across to my colleague Mugilan for more on this. Mugilan, so we have of course seen that DMK had been under a lot of pressure, especially from the opposition party in Tamil Nadu to fulfill some of these manifesto promises. But even now what we can see is that they have not exactly matched what they had promised in their manifesto as far as petrol price reduction is concerned, and there's been no change in diesel prices.
Definitely, as you rightly said, the opposition parties were mounting pressure on the ruling ADMK government to keep up their promise what they made during elections, which includes the reducing of petrol prices as promised. That is, DMK promised to cut down the petrol price by 5 rupees and diesel price by 4 rupees. But we have seen the finance minister pointing out the financial state of the financial condition of the state. He was buying time, but now we are seeing the Tamil Nadu state government have announced 3 rupees cut in the petrol, and it comes as a partial relief for the commoners. And we are joined by a person here. Sir, government இப்போ 3 ரூபாய் பெட்ரோல் பிரைஸ் கம்மி பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அது எப்படி ஃபீல் பாக்குறீங்க?
ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா தான இருக்குது எங்களுக்கு. கஷ்டமா தான் இருக்குது. டைம் இல்ல கிளம்புறோம்.
So definitely and as I said earlier, the finance minister was also saying that more than 2.63 crore motorists will be benefited by this price cut, is what we heard from the finance minister also. Sir, the government has cut down petrol prices by 3 rupees. As a motorist, as a common man, how do you see it?
Just 3 rupees is not at all an issue, sir. We must need half of the rate, because once we were paying 50 rupees, but after this BJP government, we are not at all having this.
No, but now state government have reduced petrol price by 3 rupees.
Yes, sir.
How do you see it?
Better, nothing is better. Something is better than nothing.
So this is the kind of reaction what we are getting from the motorists here. Sir, Tamil Nadu அரசு வந்து 3 ரூபாய் பெட்ரோல் கம்மி பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அது எப்படி பாக்குறீங்க?
இருக்கிறதே அதிகமாக தான் இருக்குது ஆல்ரெடி. அதில் 3 ரூபா கம்மி பண்ணுறது வந்து பெரிய விஷயமா தெரியல. அது வந்து இப்போதைக்கு இருக்கிற நிலைமைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வாழ்வாதாரமும் கம்மியாக தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதில் ஒரு 3 ரூபான்றது பெரிய அமௌண்ட்டே கிடையாது. ஸோ அதர் கண்ட்ரிலலாம் இன்னும் எவ்வளவோ கம்மியாக இருக்குது.
தமிழ்நாடு ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் விலை கம்மி பண்ணியிருக்காங்க.
ஓகே தான் பிரதர். முன்னாடி இருந்ததே ஹைக் பண்ணுறது பெருசாகவே தெரிய மாட்டேது. 3 ரூபான்றது கூட கம்மியான அமௌண்ட்டு தான். இதுவே ஒரு 20 ரூபா கம்மியாயிடுச்சுன்னா பெரிய விஷயமா இருக்கும்.
So that is the kind of reaction what we are getting from the motorists. We can hear few saying that something is better than nothing, and they say that this marginal reduction of 3 rupees will not make any effect to their monthly budget, is what we getting to hear from the motorists here. And more importantly, while addressing the assembly, the finance minister also took a dig at the central government. He said that the levies that the levies, that is overall union levies, has been increased from 10 rupees 3.39 per litre in May 2014 to 32 rupees 9.3 per litre today. So the finance minister also took a dig at the finance ministry, also stating that the revenue from the petrol for the state has reduced in the last recent years.
Right, Mugilan, thank you so much for joining us with the latest from ground there, with reactions after this announcement being made by the DMK government.